morning, and thanks for joining us for another edition of Good Question. You know, you hear a lot about the government of Guam's finances. Are they better? How much better? Seems like a lot of people are getting raises. Will you get a raise? What does that Hay study mean? Oh, hey, we've got Benita Manglona with us in the studio tonight. She'll be joining us and answering some questions about the Hay study, about a deficit reduction, yes?
Yes.
About the difference between a cash position and appropriations and budgeting. You'll all explain all of that in like a half an hour?
We'll try.
Yeah, that's kind of what I thought, that we would try, but we will try. My name is Travis Kaufman. This is Good Question. Benita Manglona joins us tonight from the Department of Administration. We'll be back with more right after these.
Fox 6 takes Guam's #1 rated news and talk radio station, Newstalk K57 to TV. Watch Fox 6 every weekday as our PNC cameras feature the live in-studio environment of The Breakfast Show with Ray Gibson, Patty Arroyo on the radio, and The Big Show with Travis Kaufman on Newstalk K57. Enjoy an entertaining televised look at Guam's most popular talk shows. Tune in to Fox 6 every Monday through Friday from 6 to noon, and then again from 4 to 6 to see what's on the radio.
Help make a difference in our community and join the fight against crime. Tune in to PNC News every Wednesday night at 6 on ABC 7 and on Fox 6 at 7 p.m. for the Guam Crime Stoppers Crime of the Week. Each week, the Guam Police Department will highlight an unsolved crime, hoping you may have information relating to the case. Join Crime Stoppers Coordinator Officer Paul Tapao every Wednesday night on PNC News for the Guam Crime Stoppers Crime of the Week.